Hey everyone, welcome to class number 6 and we are going to learn something interesting today. Let me open my sheet first at all. So I'm going to create a new sheet, class number 6, renaming it class 6th. Alright, so today what is the topic? The topic is reference, absolute reference and relative reference. Okay. So we have two topics, guys. Pay attention kindly. These are very simple topics. Okay. So the main core name of the topic is reference. All right. What do we understand by reference? Reference means if I'm providing you a map. Okay. There's a map. This is these are 4 points. Okay. When here is petrol pump, here is hotel, here is school, and here is hospital, and you're here, right? So what you have to do, as if you want to go to hospital, so you will probably will go to south, towards south west, like this, right? You may use southwest. So let me show you again. There's a map, right? Here is school, sorry, hospital. Here is school. Here is petrol pump, and one side is uh suppose court. Okay, court, and you are living here. Okay, and we have some roads like this, like this, like this, and like this. So here you're living here. Okay, so you have to go, and there's a road like this. So how you will go? You will take the reference from the map, right? You will go there, 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 then you will reach to court. If you want to go to the petrol pump, so you will go there and you will divert your route like this. So what you are taking? You are taking a reference of the map. Similarly, so what is the meaning of reference? Context of the references. uh, References like taking a context or information from something to deliver or to reach somewhere. All right. So similarly we will perform something today. Okay, so let me show you a simple calculation first at all of you. A or B, we have two cells. I'm writing the values. I'm making a task. Okay. So I will show you. Okay, I got two tables, and here my task is a plus b. All right, a plus b. So let me make the table complete first at all. Okay, so whenever you create a table, you should develop a habit of coloring the things. Okay, highlighting them, or you can bold the main topics or main headings. All right, like this. Then you can use anything. Okay, so you can use this. So always develop a habit of decorating the table. Okay, the more you decorate, you try, you will able to unlock new features. All right, so see, I have a task. What I have to perform? I have to perform this a plus b. So I will basically, I will use the very basic method. Okay, so see, I have done it. I got this a and a plus b. So here is a, here is b, a plus b. So I have done a plus b. So similarly I have to perform. Okay, because I have to find out all the answers. Correct? Okay, so it will take so much time. See, I will do it this plus this, and it's done. I got the answer, right? So if I perform it one by one systematically, so it will take too much time, right? so it can take time, right? But what if I make a single tap and I can get all the answers immediately? What do you think about it? Let's make it more faster, right? So what is happening here? So see, in this answering cell, what we have to do, what I will do, I will, in this situation, whenever the operation is same across the cells operation is same. See, for this cell 20 plus 56, for this cell one cell from A and one cell from B, means for this cell this is C5, right? C5. So for C5 cell I have to select A5 plus B5. Then for C6 I have to select A6 plus B6. For C7 I have to select A7 plus B7, right? And so on. So I need Cn is equal to An plus Bn. Okay, so all the functions are same. So what I will do, I will first, I will very simple, I will find out answer. Okay, is equal to like this, correct? Then I will tap on it simply. Okay, and I will get some options. So I get an option of fill. So I will click on fill. As the moment I click on fill, this point, it will convert it into rectangular box, sorry, spherical box, green color. Okay, so see the difference. And now drag it till the end and see all the answers are available here. Okay, so we say it taking the reference. Okay, so what is happening? We got the answer, we made it manually, then we went down. Okay, so Excel, what Excel is doing, Excel is taking the reference from this cell. In this cell, Excel, observe what is happening in this cell, in this C5, A5 plus B5. So Excel understand that if we drag it, so for C6, what Excel will do, Excel has taken the reference A5 plus, if I am finding answer in C5 and adding A5 plus B5, so if I go in C6, so it should go A6 plus B6. Then finding answer 7, it should go A7 plus B7, right? So relatively it is taking a reference. Okay, means it is taking the reference from the first cell and relatively it is passing the same reference for the each cell and getting the answer. So we say it relative reference. Relative means if I am going down here, okay, so the relative cells for each answering cell are also going down, right? So in this way it is using this reference, so we say it relative reference. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is relative reference. Let's talk about, I will give you some exercises. Okay, then we'll talk about another reference. All right, so we are witnessing another example. Okay, so here a little bit complex. What is the complexity? See, we have marks, right? And we have to find out the percentages, and we have a grand total out of, or we have find out the 50 out of 100, 60 out of 100, right? This is the grand total as you have seen in the scorecard. So what I'm going to do, I'm doing the first same thing. Okay, 50 divided by 100. Okay, and done. And then I will convert all the table into percentage format first at all. Number format and in percentage format. Then I don't need to multiply, means I don't need to do 50 into 100 into 100, right? Because this I have to do, and this 100 into 100 it will automatically done if I convert it into percentage format. Okay, so it's done. Now what I'm planning, if I do the same with another cell also, 60 divided by 100 and it's done, 60%, right? So what I was planning, I'm planning the same, because I'm thinking that 50 50, got it? Then I should go down and it will automatically pick up the function, and I will use the relative reference similar I do at the top. So let's try it. So just drag, click on fill and drag it and see the the difference, what is happening here. Okay, let's check it out, what is happening. It's not working actually, I don't know why it's working, why it's not working. So see it carefully. click on the first cell, the 50 wala, the 51, this one, and observe the formula box B19 divided by B24, right? Then go down. So what I do, I did, I tried the relative reference. So I went one step down, so it also got one step down. So observe, I went to C20 here, right? So it picked B20 for this operation, B20, no problem, definitely it's fine. But instead of B24, okay, B24 means, because the operation is like this, B20 upon B24, right? So whenever I'm going 20, 21, 22, 23 like this, so the bottom is also going B24, 25, 26, 27, right? So what is happening means, once I'm numerator is going down, so the denominator, which is expected to be stopped, freezed, it is also going down. That's why you can observe the last one, you can observe this one, C23. So B23 divided by B28, B23 is this one, and divided by B28, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, okay? So B23 to B28, so that's why it's very useful. All right, so this is how it's working, right? So once we are finding the answer, we are going bottom down, okay? The numerator is also going down, which is expected, but we have to freeze this 100, right? But because it's due to the nature, it's also going down. So if you observe the last one, this one, so it is showing 71 divided by 0, 0 factorial, because in this B28 there's nothing, right? So what our task is, our task is either we should make a separate table for this 100 grand total, grand total, grand total, right? Or we should freeze this 100. We can easily freeze this 100 into same calculation, okay? So how we will freeze it? See, simple, go to the first one, okay? Here it's written B24, so manually we have to use dollar sign, then B, then dollar sign, then 24, okay? So if you use this, so dollar B means the B column is fixed, and 24 means the row is fixed, so this one like this, so the 100 would be fixed. So let's make a dollar sign, dollar, drag it, make dollar sign, done. Now it will easily work, just click and you will get the answers, okay? So now you see, observe any option, see at the bottom, dollar B, dollar 24, I'm checking this one, dollar B, dollar 24, dollar B, dollar 24. So in this way I have freeze this, okay? So the numerator is going down to find the answer, but this denominator is fixed, all right? So this is one method. Or what can I do is, instead of it, a little bit lengthy, but you can use this one as alternative to make you better understanding, like this, okay? So what I will do, instead of grand total writing here, I will cut it, I will paste it here, grand total, I will cut this one as well, I will paste, I'll paste it, right? I'll erase this from here, okay? All right, see, now what can I do is, now I can use the relative reference, because now I have every answer, every grand total for each number, right? So what I will do, I will very simply, I'll use the same method, is equal to 50 divided by 100, I'll get the answer, and just I will drag it downward. I get the answer, okay? So the previous one is called the absolute reference, wherever you have to freeze any cell, okay? So in this way we can perform this percentage, or we can perform it in many manners. So I'm giving it heading absolute reference. Okay, absolute means something that is freezed. Absolute reference. Okay, merging these two cells as well. Merge and center. So here we go. All right, so both two topics, I hope you understood. Thank you so much for understanding.